Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily sign out from MIUI account. So for doing this you just need to go to additional settings. In additional settings you need to find developer option. If you don't have here a developer option, you need to go about device and just click several times on version of operating system you install on your mobile phone. And here you will find Mi Unlock status, so just open it and here you choose agree, and here just click add account and device, and check if you successfully disconnect from Wi-Fi and you need to use only mobile data. So just choose add account and just wait until it will propose you to sign in. So here you can see that we successfully sign out because we need only to sign in. So and another thing you need to check is to go back, and here you need to find Mi account. So I successfully sign out, so I see here only sign in, but you will see here sign out, so you just click sign out and you successfully sign out from your account. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.